Bringing new perspectives to a journey? Maybe it's a good idea. Today, we are going to introduce you to a new fellow called Vitus. It's actually the most advanced drone for aerial photography. The foldable design makes Vitus easy to carry, so you could easily capture beautiful moments from different angles wherever you are. Vitus is equipped with elaborately manufactured brushless motors which help to ensure powerful flight performance. The high-capacity intelligent batteries provide Vitus with 25 minutes of flight endurance, generating unrivaled flight experience. With highly precise sensors, the smart obstacle avoidance system on Vitus will be able to detect obstacles from the front, the left, and the right. Vitus will then immediately slow down and ensure flight safety. But how could you shoot perfect images and videos without a mini 3-axis mechanical gimbal? With the wonderfully invented gimbal, the camera will be in steady operation during the flight, easily recording wonderful moments. In this way, aerial photography will no longer be bothered by the shake. The powerful HD camera is able to shoot 12-megapixel images, 1080p videos at 60 FPS, and amazing 4K videos at 30 FPS, although it is a small device. Walkera combines essence of different techniques and brings Vitus auto selfie function so that your creative ideas could be instantly turned into reality. Afraid of unstable aircraft? Don't panic. The wonderfully designed and tested GPS and GLONASS dual-module satellite positioning system will quickly acquire satellite signals and keep precise hovering. In addition, we've installed infrared sensors and optical flow camera at the bottom of the aircraft. That way, Vitus is able to keep itself stable indoor or anywhere without satellite signals. Hey, wait! It must be such an uninteresting way to use your drone just for aerial photography, right? No big deal. Let's go play AR games with Vitus. With the up-to-date Walkera goggles, you will enjoy first-personal view immersive flight experience of racing an air battle. So like anybody else, you don't like the big remote controller. No problem. This time we created a new transmitter. The foldable design makes it rather light and portable. Just unfold the holder and fix your mobile phone to make the transmitter usable. It supports one-key takeoff, orbit fly, waypoints fly, you could also tap the screen to activate the Smart Auto Follow function and unleash your imagination. The Smart app also makes it possible to preview, download, and manage your image data in real time. You can post your videos and images on your social network sites and share with your friends in real time. So this is Vitus, the best personal drone that combines various state-of-the-art technologies. It is designed to bring you different angles and brand new sense experience. This is technology. This is Vitus.